Look at this little dude. It's definitely a raccoon, but I guarantee you've never seen one like him. He's short, he's almost completely round, and in the middle of 2026, he became an internet legend overnight. This is the story of Jimothy, the Seattle raccoon that's still capturing the world's attention. We're going to break down the 1 in a million condition that makes him look this way, the underlying science that explains how he manages to stay alive in the wild, and his overnight viral fame. Let's check it out. It all started on the night of July 13th, 2026, when a Seattle woman was out for a walk and spotted something weird. At first she thought it was just a cat, but when this thing ran out from under a car, she realized it was a raccoon, but it was shaped like a bowling ball.
What am I looking at?
She filmed it, randomly decided his name was Jimothy, and put the video on Instagram. Well, that video exploded. Millions and millions of people started losing their minds over Jimothy's tiny round body and stubby little legs as he ran through people's yards. Pretty soon, everyone in the neighborhood realized this wasn't a new visitor. People had been seeing him for a while, and some even had videos of baby Jimothy from all the way back in 2025. And because of that one video, this local mystery became a global superstar. So how is this even possible? Vets and experts have looked at the videos, and even though they can't examine him, they all pretty much agree that he has a rare condition called short spine syndrome. That's a genetic glitch that happens before birth where the bones of the spine, called vertebrae, don't form properly. Instead of all being separate bones, they get compressed and sometimes even fused together. The result is a super short body with basically no neck, which gives animals like Jimothy this crazy, almost perfectly round shape. One theory is that it's caused by a mutation on a recessive gene, which means that someone, or something, has to get a copy from both parents in order to have the syndrome. The odds of that are almost zero, which is why you almost never see this. It's been observed in dogs and cats before, but to see a wild raccoon with it is pretty unbelievable. Here's the craziest part about Jimothy. Most animals with spinal defects this severe don't live very long after they're born. And yet this dude isn't just surviving, he's thriving. Videos show him running around, finding food, and climbing all over the place like it's no big deal. Even though his compressed spine should make doing everyday things really hard, the fact that he can climb and move so well means he's figured it out. Raccoons are famous for being geniuses at surviving, and Jimothy is the ultimate proof of that. His ability to crush the challenges of his condition and live a normal life is what makes him so awesome. Over the past few weeks, the internet has gone completely nuts over Jimothy, and he's turned into a massive cultural icon, especially in his hometown of Seattle. Everyone started calling him an underdog hero, a symbol of just not giving up. And social media was flooded with fan art and memes. It got so crazy that people were getting tattoos of this raccoon on their bodies, and someone even painted a giant mural of him on a wall. The whole thing got so big that at the end of July, the Seattle City Council actually held a huge party for him and made an official proclamation declaring it Jimothy Summer. But with all this hype, wildlife experts are reminding everyone to just let him be a raccoon. They're telling the public to admire him from far away, because trying to feed him or become friends with him could actually get him hurt. And that would ruin the exact thing that makes his story so amazing. Jimothy's story is proof that being different can sometimes be a superpower. If you want to see more stories like this about random viral internet memes with a medical twist, hit that subscribe button. You know, whenever. These videos of Jimothy shouldn't just be fodder for viral memes. I think they should be studied in colleges and universities. This dude is a master of adaptation and survival. He's a perfect example of the wild and amazing surprises hiding in the world. And if you're inspired by his journey, think about supporting your local wildlife rehab center, or even just volunteering at your local pet shelter or adoption center, because they're out there every single day giving animals a second chance at life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.